Hello 6th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing the lesson ratio, proportion and unitary method. Now coming to the worksheet 2, first question, are the following numbers in proportion? So this worksheet 2 is dealing with the topic proportion. So 9, 12, 18, 24. So first we have to write to be a proportion, to be in proportion, product of extremes. What are extremes? First and the last term multiply product of means multiply the second and the third. Find the value 9 into 24. 9 4s are 36, 9 2s are 18, 19, 20, 21. 12 8s are 96, 12 1s are 12 and it will be 21. You got 216. So product of extremes is equal to product of means. Therefore 9, 12, 18, 24 are in proportion. Don't interchange the numbers, they have to be in the same order. First term, second term, third term and the fourth term. Okay. Now coming to the question B, same product of extremes product of means first and the last 3 into 16 means second and the third 16 3s are 48 and 4 8s are 32. They are not equal, so product of extremes not equal to product of means. Therefore 3, 4, 8, 16 are not in proportion. Clear? Now coming to the third sum, that is C, product of extremes multiply first and the last product of means second and the third. When you multiply 22 into 24 you get 528, 33 into 16 again you will get 528. Multiply, you have to do the rough work. The product of extremes is equal to product of means. Therefore 22, 33, 16 and 24 are in proportion. सबको समझ में आ रहा है? सेम मेथड एग्जाम्पल में अच्छे से मैं समझाई. फर्स्ट टर्म and the last term they are called as the extremes, second and the third are called the means and उनको मल्टीप्लाई करो, देखो इक्वल है तो दे आर इन प्रोपोर्शन. सो प्रोडक्ट ऑफ एक्सट्रीम्स फर्स्ट and the last multiply product of means second and the third multiply, and when you multiply 63 into 72, you get 4536, and a 55 into 32 you get 1760. रफ वर्क में मल्टीप्लाई करके देखने का है आपको, फिर आंसर लिखो. प्रोडक्ट ऑफ एक्सट्रीम्स दोनों इक्वल नहीं है, इज नॉट इक्वल टू प्रोडक्ट ऑफ मीन्स. Therefore 63, 55, 32 and 72 are not in proportion. ठीक है. So question number 1D we have finished. Now coming to question number E. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन का क्वेश्चन नंबर ई. सेम टोटल 6 सम्स आर गिवन, सो दैट प्रैक्टिस होगा तो परफेक्ट हो जाएगा, है ना. सेम टाइप के बहुत सारे सम्स दिए हैं, सो दैट यू हैव टू बी कॉन्फिडेंट ऑफ द मेथड. सो प्रोडक्ट ऑफ एक्सट्रीम्स, first and the last. Product of means, second and the third. 4 2s are 8, 4 7s are 28, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 28. So product of extremes is equal to product of means. Therefore 4, 9, 32 and 72 are in proportion. Now the sixth sum in that, product of extremes multiply first and the last. Product of means multiply second and the third. 15 zeros are 0, 15 twos are 30, 15 ones are 15, 16, 17, 18. Now when you multiply 75 into 45, you get 3375. That means they are not equal. So product of extremes is not equal to product of means. Therefore 15, 75, 45 and 120 are not in proportion. So you are confident with this type of sums. Total 6 sums we have done, isn't it? Whether they are in proportion. So multiply the first and last, write product of extremes. The second and third, product of means, see whether they are equal. Now coming to the second sum, it is a fill in the box so that the 4 numbers are in proportion. Already they have told they are in proportion. If the given numbers are in proportion, so what is the rule? Box, you have to write x, first number into the last number should be equal to the second number into the third number. Product of extremes should be equal to the product of means. So x लेफ्ट राइट साइड में ही रखो, इज इक्वल टू का राइट साइड को RHS राइट हैंड साइड, लेफ्ट साइड को LHS लेफ्ट हैंड साइड बोलते हैं. सो x जहां है वही रखो और इधर 32 इंटू 12 अभी इंटू 6 दूसरे साइड लेकर जाने के वक्त डिवाइड, मल्टीप्लिकेशन का ऑपोजिट डिवाइड. 6 1 जा 6 2 जा. सो x इज इक्वल टू, अभी x को लेफ्ट में लेकर आओ और ये वैल्यू मल्टीप्लाई करके जो आता है राइट में लिखो. 2 2 जा 4 एंड 2 3 जा 6. x का वैल्यू 64 मिला. सो आंसर 32, बॉक्स इज 64, फिर 6 एंड 12. ठीक है, बॉक्स का वैल्यू 64. सेकेंड में भी ऐसे ही लिखो. इफ द गिवन नंबर्स आर इन प्रोपोर्शन, what is the rule? Box is x, first and last, that is product of extremes, should be product of means. 27 into 14. अभी x लेफ्ट में है वैसे ही रखो, राइट में 27 into 14 है और 21 को डिनोमिनेटर में लेकर आओ, मल्टीप्लाई है डिवाइड होगा. सो 7 2 जा 14, 7 3 जा 21, 3 1 जा 3, 3 9 जा 27. So 9 2 जा 18. So you got x is equal to 18. Answer 21, 27, 14 and 18. That is the box. Hope you are confident now. Now coming to the third sum in this. So let it be x. So if the given numbers are in proportion, first and the last, that is product of extremes, is equal to product of means, that is second and the third number. x राइट हैंड साइड में है, राइट में रखो, इज इक्वल टू साइन, लेफ्ट में 15 इंटू 36 है और 27 डिनोमिनेटर में जाएगा. 9 3 जा 27, 9 4 जा 36, 3 1 जा 3, 3 5 जा 15. सो आपको मिला x इज इक्वल टू 5 4 जा 20. So answer 15, box is 20, 27 and 36. Clear? Now 33, 132, box, that is x and 16. If the given numbers are in proportion, first and the last, that is extremes, product of extremes is equal to second and third, product of means. x राइट साइड में है वैसे ही रखो, 33 इंटू 16 अपॉन 132. अभी इधर देखो, 33 11 से जाएगा, सो 132 11 से जाएगा है क्या? व्हाट इज द मेथड? 1 प्लस 2 इज 3, 3 माइनस 3 इज 0. add the digits in the even places, add the digits in the odd places and subtract both, you will get 0 or 11. Then it is divisible by 11. So 1 plus 2 is 3. Only one digit is there, 3. 3 minus 3, 0. So it is divisible by 11. 11 3s are 33. 11 1s are 11. 12, 13. So 2 remains. 2 and 2, 22. 11 2s are 22. Now 3 1s are 3. 3 4s are 12. 4 1s are 4. 4 4s are 16. So you got x is equal to 4. Answer 33, 132, box is 4, then 16. Hope you understood all the sums. How to find out the value in the box. Let it be x and find out. First you have to write the statement. If they are in proportion, the product of extremes should be equal to the product of the means. So this is about a proportion, whether they are in proportion, and if they are in proportion, what is the value of x. Bye. Thank you. All the best.